The Fitzgerald. It sounds like the first name of that psychopathic teacher at school who never wants their students to find out, only to fly into a murderous rage once the class discovers it. The ingredient lineup: London dry gin, simple syrup, fresh lemon juice and Angostura bitters. Let's kick this off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of our London dry gin. Follow up with half an ounce, that's 15 ml, is simple syrup, and we're using a 2:1 ratio here. Then carefully add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Lastly, 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of fresh lemon juice, and I'm hoping these are not like the recent lot I had, which were like rocks made of pith. Add ice and shake for 10 to 13 seconds. The Fitzgerald was created in the 1990s by Dale DeGroff at the Rainbow Rooms in New York City. Add ice into a double rocks glass and then double strain. Garnish with a couple of small lemon wheels. The taste test. This is simplicity at its greatest. It's sweet and sour, there's some bitter spice lurking there in the background, and then there's the piney juniper taste from the gin. I reckon this would make a great lounge or a local bar drink. It's really tasty and easy to remember.